Hello traveling friends, see you again on the Holiday channel. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button first. So friends on the road, don't miss the next video. This time I went to Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Raja Ampat is a regency and is part of West Papua Province. To reach these islands, we must first set foot in the city of Sorong. After arriving in the city of Sorong, we can use a kind of fast boat that usually sails twice a day to Waisai, the district capital of Raja Ampat. In general, Raja Ampat is an archipelago consisting of a large number of coral islands and is widely distributed throughout its territory. However, Raja Ampat has four of the largest main islands, namely Waigeo Island, Batana Island, Salawati Island, and Misul Island. Raja Ampat has about 75% of the world's marine species. In fact, the sea and land area of Raja Ampat, which has an area of 4.6 million hectares, is home to 540 types of coral, 1,511 species of fish, and thousands of other marine biota. Not only its natural wealth under the sea, Raja Ampat also has many interesting things above sea level. Lots of beautiful beaches scattered throughout the Raja Ampat Islands. In addition, there are many islands that form a row of high cliffs in Raja Ampat. In fact, several places such as Pianemo, Telekabui, and Waig are well known throughout the world. It doesn't end there. Raja Ampat also has many interesting and unique cultures that have become traditions in the region, such as the culture of burning stones, dances typical of the Papuan inland tribes. These traditions have become a hereditary culture for the people of Papua. The beautiful nature of Raja Ampat cannot be separated from the legends that have been believed for generations by all the indigenous people of Raja Ampat. Interested friends, go in for a walk with the story and charm of Raja Ampat. What else are you waiting for? Let's go on vacation to Raja Ampat. I hope this video can add insight and friends for a walk. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.